Hello there, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, the hand's name is Patsy, and we are working on a set for her using tips today because I just didn't feel like struggling with the forms because honestly the forms are really difficult to put on Patsy. I'm sorry, this girl is sometimes a bitch. So today we are just going to go ahead and use some tips. And we're going to go ahead and cut those points off as well, the stiletto portion, and make them more of a coffin, square coffin sort of shape, because they're very hooky and I just really wasn't going for that look today. If you like the hook nails, this would definitely be tips that you would enjoy 100%. And just because I don't like a thing doesn't mean it's not good. It just means it's not my aesthetic. And that's literally all that is. So if you like the hooky nails, and I know a lot of ladies do, I actually used to wear my nails like that like 20 years ago. I really liked that, the hawk ones. But my aesthetic has changed over the years, and now I'm more about the straight out coffin or stiletto nails. So everyone changes with time, right? And that's the fun thing about it, is that you can like one thing one season of your life and like something else another season of your life. So it's just beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm just straightening out the edges on those first two because I didn't like the cut. And then we're going to come in and start building some nails. And we're going to use the Yayoge Cover Pink in the builder gel. And we're going to build a nail right here. And while we're doing that, I also wanted to tell you guys, I had been waiting like a month for a box to come in. I know if you're a regular viewer of the channel, you are probably aware of that. But I finally, after asking twice and contacting the post office customer service department, asking twice for it to be redelivered. I'm sorry, I should have said that better. And then finally getting a hold of somebody at the post office. I got a call from someone at the office where my actual package is. I'm just going to come in here and add a little more apex because I felt like the nail was a little flat. And I don't like flat nails. There you go. I talked to somebody, and I didn't even bother to ask him why did it not get redelivered when I asked twice. But he said he's going to put it in the carrier's bin. I think that's what he said, to go out on Tuesday because today is a holiday. And speaking of holidays, happy Memorial Day. If you are not in America, that's just an American holiday. And we are honoring the men and women who died during armed services. So whether or in the armed services, sorry. And I don't think it's necessarily like a war death, just like if you were part of the armed services and you have died, we are honoring you today. And if you have lost someone who is part of the armed services, I just want to extend my condolences. I'm so sorry for your loss. And what we're doing now, I have just put down a small layer of builder gel, and we are just marbling some pink and periwinkle together with a little silver glitter, because Mama loves glitter. I'm a glitter critter. A glitter critter. That was funny, you guys. And we're just marbling that together, and I know I'm usually more of a stone look marble gal. But you know what? Summer is approaching, and we're going to be heading into much brighter colors. And honestly, I just wanted to do something soft and gentle and beautiful and glittery and sparkly today. So we're marbling some bright colors. Actually, I would call these sort of medium tones. Verging into bright. Verging into bright. I like this one. This is my favorite one. The other one's cute, but this one's my favorite. I really like it. And of course, we are going to encapsulate these two nails and build out the index finger as well, which you will not see me do. I figured watching me do that pinky was probably all you really needed, right? It's exactly the same process, just on that finger. I'm just cleaning up the sides, and then we're going to cure this and come in with some clear Yayoge builder gel. And I'm just coming in with a small bead and putting down a slip layer. And you just put a slip layer down to tell the gel where to go. Gel is attracted to gel. And so if you fill that nail with gel from side to side, and then you come in with your bigger bead, what happens is as you spread it, and really you're sort of almost doing it like a frosting a cake motion, as you lay that down, it sort of levels, it self-levels into the area where you've already laid the gel down. So a slip layer is just a really nice way to help you control your gel to the best of your ability. And honestly, it's really going to depend on how thin your gel is, because Yayoge is extremely thin. It is very thin gel. I have worked as well with E-Nail Couture, and it is much more firm. It's firmer than this. It's much thicker. Now I've gone on ahead and filed everything up, and we're just going to come in and polish this index finger in the pink and the pinky finger in the periwinkle. And then we're going to give ourselves a little glitter fade. Okay, so definitely as soon as that package gets in, I'm going to film something for you guys. Look forward to that for Friday. If you are not subscribed and you're watching this video, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. Definitely want to be here for that, because I'm so excited to share with you what I've picked for the collection. It is not a ton of stuff, but you'll see when it gets here. You'll see. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And definitely let me know in the comment section below if this is a set you'd wear. Do you think you'd do 2 accent nails, or would you call all these accent nails? Let's keep it real. Mama likes a jazzy set. And I cannot wait to do my nails. That is what I'm waiting for, is this box to do my nails. And so not only do we have that coming up, we're going to have me doing my nails next week on Monday and Wednesday. And then I'm not sure what we'll do for Friday next week. If you have a suggestion or a request, let me know below in the comment section, and we'll see what we can work out, because I would love to do the things that you guys would like to see. Request sets are super fun. There is one somewhere on the channel. If I can find it, I'll link it. So there's our little glitter fades. And those glitters are the Modelones glitters. And what I really like about them is that they lay really flat. They're chunky in appearance, but not in texture, if that makes sense. So you really can put them on over the top of polish and then put top coat on, and if it's a nice thick top coat, it really does encapsulate it in the top coat, and you don't feel a lot of texture. So I really do love those little pots of the Modelones glitter. Ooh, and it is shiny, shiny, shiny. And we are again using the Yayoge top coat. And there's the set, guys. Let me know what you thought about these. Oh my gosh, I like them so much. They're so cute. We'll see you in Wednesday's video, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.